Do you like a great sale like I do? I get so excited when I get a good deal on stuff, especially my planner supplies. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. In this video, we are flipping through a haul of planner and craft supplies from JoAnn, Michaels, Hobby Lobby, Ross, Tuesday Morning, and The Happy Planner. Let's start off with these paper packs and clear cut punch from JoAnn's. JoAnn was doing a 25% off clearance, so anything that has a red sticker on it was an extra 25% off. So this sticker book was already 50% off at $9.97, and then it was an extra 25% off. So I thought it would be fun to stop by my JoAnn stores and see what they had in clearance. So I picked up several of these 12 by 12 double-sided paper cardstock in just some different designs because I like to use these to punch out boxes for my planner. So instead of using a box sticker, I'll use like a box of paper, and like this one was clearance on $7.47 and then was an additional 25% off. So they were a really great deal, and I love the different designs. To go along with the paper, I found this clear cut punch from We Are Memory Keepers, and it cuts out like a tag shape and a flag shape. I'm also wondering if I can use this for washi tape, so I want to try that later too. I picked up a couple, I guess a couple Happy Planner items and a Mambi sticks, which these are giant letter stickers, but I just love that rose gold floral, and it's like linen background, and these were on clearance, so I thought those would be fun to use somewhere in planning. And then they had some sticker books and accessory books. This one I did not have, so I got that one. This was not on clearance, but of course use your JoAnn coupons, and I picked up this sticky note pack for 50% off with the coupon. Here are two more things that I found in clearance. This is the Tombow Advanced Lettering Set, and it was on clearance for $14.97 plus an additional 25% off, which is a great deal, and I can't wait to try out these different lettering things. That's something I've been practicing, trying to get better at my lettering. And then these clear stamps from Hero Arts, and they have like a little Cinderella theme to them. They are so cute, and I can't wait to use these with some Cinderella stickers and glittery washi tape. I also picked up this Faber Castell metallic highlighter set because these colors were so pretty, and I think I used a coupon for this one. I don't think this was in clearance, but I just love these colors, so I can't wait to try these out for highlighters in my planner. One of the fun things I like to do is to decorate my planner covers with Swarovski crystals, and they had a few Swarovskis in the clearance section. This one has little stars, or wait, is it moons? Little moon shapes. Are they teardrop shapes? Anyway, some little, what does it say? Paisley shape Swarovskis. These are hot fix, so you can iron on or use a hot fix tool. And then these are also a crystal strip and some beads. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet, but they were like $2, so I'll save them to do a project with. And then some crystal bond adhesive. The last thing I picked up from JoAnn was this Park Lane box of blank cards for sending Happy Mail. These were not on clearance, but I love that foil, and these were just really cute, so I wanted to get these for decorating for Happy Mail. I found a few more goodies at Hobby Lobby in the clearance, and look at the prices. The sticker book was $1.99. It's a Wrong mini sticker book. What? $1.99. And a mini Wrong bookmark set for 49 cents. I also picked up the Stickabilities from Paper Studio sticker book because when I flip through, they have these stickers that say nail appointment, and I always need those nail appointment stickers, so I was glad to find those in this sticker book. I also found these two, I guess, stickers. This one's dimensional. It looks like a patch, like I guess you would call it like a planner patch, and I think this will be super pretty to put on a planner cover. And then same thing with this decal. I mean, this can go on anything. Oh, this one might be vinyl. it might need to go on a water bottle or something else. It might not work on a planner cover. But look how cute. I also stopped by Ross and found these boxed designer cards. These are Heidi Swapp cards, and they're like summer designs, really pretty, and they were only $3.99, and that's a great deal for boxed cards. There's 40 cards in here, and they're pretty. They had some other ones too, but I'm trying to, you know, not buy everything, so I picked one. Next door to Ross is the Tuesday Morning store, so I checked in there as well, and they had these Kelly Creates small brush pens for $4.77, which is a great deal on these brush pens. And I always like to have extras so I can put some in my different planner bags. So I can't wait to use these. Next up, I didn't really find anything in my store at Michael's, but they had online these Tim Holtz Distress Oxide ink pads, and these were on clearance for $1 and $2 each. So like a handful of these were only $1 and a handful were like $2. And on top of that, you can use bonus, what are those bonus points they give you, or bonus rewards? So I picked up a handful of these different Ranger ink Tim Holtz Distress Oxides to try out in my planner, and I can't wait. Last but not least, I chose my favorite sticker book from the latest collection from the Happy Planner, which is this new version of Wild Styled. These are my colors. I have not opened it yet, and I'll do a flip through in a different video, but let's just flip through it quickly. I love this foil. I love these hearts. Of course, you know, I like bullet points. And the colors are so pretty. I like the black and white with a pop of color. Oh, what's that? Sticker. Oh, how cute. Yeah, these are awesome. Can't wait to use these. Leave a comment down below and tell me which planner supplies you would like to see in an upcoming video. We can try out the planner punch and the colored paper, test the Tombow, Kelly Creates, and Faber Castell pens and highlighters, flip through all the cards and make some happy mail, decorate a planner cover, or flip through that new Wild Styled sticker book. Leave a comment and tell me which one you want to see in an upcoming video. If you like this planner supplies haul video, hit that thumbs up button. Check out the description box to see where you can find all of these products in your stores and online. If you're new to the planner channel, you can get your free power plan checklist by clicking the link in the description box. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Oh my gosh, I really should not experiment with makeup before doing my videos. I look kind of goth today.